SOS, I'm BA. Today I've got something different for show and tell. It's called the Ghillie Kettle. Alright folks, the Ghillie Kettle. Alright, so handcrafted in the UK. This it comes with this bag here to carry it in for transport. And I'll put everything to this in the drop down for you guys looking for it. They do ship to Canada for the Canada folks out there, for the guys and gals that live out there. So you get this. This is your whistle. Your indicator lets you know that it's heated up. Everything stashes right in here. It's kind of like a bio stove in a way. You stash everything. You see it's got this bottom here, and you pull this out and get ready for all the goodies to fall out. It'll come with all of this. It's just hollow in there. It goes all the way through. And you put your little whistle right there for now. I'm set it to the side. Now this, they recommend, like, you can light through these holes here and just put sticks in, or you can just put all your fire stuff in there. I'll get to these little items here in a second. We want to go ahead and get this thing fired up and going. So I've got some, went ahead and pulled out some petroleum jelly, Vaseline, and I got some cotton. Just want to pull this apart real quick. Go ahead and get some tinder going. Let's get this. Just want to get it lit up first. We'll go into details about it. I like doing stuff like this. It's just a little bit different. It's kind of like a tip too for some folks out there that need to know. A need-to-know basis, right? It'd be amazing how many people don't know these tiny little details of stuff. You can get a striker if you like, or you can use something like this if you want. If you don't want to use a more primitive way of doing things. There we go. Get that going, and then you're going to break your sticks up. Go ahead and get some sticks broke up here. Start dumping those in there. Now they recommend, there's one way of doing this, a few ways of doing this. You can do this prior to. I like to do it prior to and then put the kettle on. There's a couple of different ways you can do this. You can just you can drop your light in there and light it from the bottom here. And then, drop your sticks in. I'll show you that in a minute. Just want to get this fire going first. I'm going to probably fast forward through some of this so it's not some time consuming thing. This is your air vent. You want your air to pass through. Let me break it up a little more. But you want your air to pass through here and out the top. Move this out of the way. I obviously don't need this. Some more stuff here. That looks like that's going pretty good, so let's go ahead and we'll go ahead and set this. We can probably go ahead and put some water in it first. Let's do that. Then we'll kind of figure out how much water it actually holds. You put water in here so you can boil some water. Let's just see about how much. This is 32 ounces of water, so let's just see how much that 32 ounces it actually holds. See how far we get this. It holds almost. Let me dump a little bit of that out. There we go. Yeah, it looks like it almost holds about 30 ounces, something like that. Now you just set this up here like this. Now, what we'll do, since you've done that, we can go ahead and start putting them in through the top. So, like I said, it's kind of like a bio stove. You just start putting them in. Let me pull this up a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Start putting your sticks in right here. Just like that. Pretty neat, huh? It's cool, the stuff that people come up with. I don't want anything too. There's some pretty thick sticks. I don't think I need those for this little project. Not yet, anyway. That's nice. I channel my air through here, and it goes all the way out the top. You see some flames coming out the top there. There it goes. Starting to go up pretty good. Let's see if I can. A couple more good sticks in there. Now it'll bring that water to a boil pretty quick. Yeah, that should do. I think that is enough. Woo! There we go. That should do it. That's enough for now. And that whistle will go off when it's ready to go. It's pretty neat, huh? Alright, while this is going, I want to show you the rest of this. Alright, so you get these devices here, so you can put these up here like this. You see how that works? So if I want to, while this is going, see that? And then I can also, you get these items here, so you can put down on this. So you can, once you get your water boiling, we can put these down there. And it even has a nice little gripper tool. So I can grip this, or I can use this with pots I already have. So this is a stainless steel pot that I have, and it fits perfect. You see, it fits perfect on that, and I can just set that right up there. You get the point, right? Like that. Pull it up. See what I mean? So I can boil something. And I got this guy here. This has got a little handle on it. I think this is just a UCO from the camp kit for that, but you could put that up there just like that, or just take it off like that, right? And then you need to take this down. Just use your little grippers and pull your pieces off, right? Just like that. Get those out of the way. Go ahead and put some more tinder in there. Woo. Starting to boil over a little bit there. There it goes. There it goes. Think it got hot. What do you think? There it goes. That's letting me know she's ready to go, right? So all you gotta do at this point, if you can let all this burn out, right? And to pour it, you simply remove this. I'll show you in a minute. It's really going now, look at it. Yep. All right. Anyways, you just wait for it to go out, and once it's out, you can just pick it up just like this, and that's how you would hold it and pour it. You can see I'm pouring it already. So let's go ahead and give me a cup over here. Now what I like to do is take, this is just coffee wrapped in a coffee filter, and I just I bundle it up just like that. Throw it in there. Just go ahead and pour my hot water in. Make my coffee. And put this back over here. Or tea, if you prefer tea. Folks in the UK like, we don't coffee. We do tea, boy. Alright. So that's all set up. And there's my coffee. And to show you real quick, this cool little feature was, I thought this was kind of neat. So if you wanted to go ahead and, if you want to cook on this, use this kind of like a little bio grill, or a grill, whatever you want to call it. You just set these items right here, and you start your fire up just like you would, and just put yourself something like that on there. And or you could use this, right? Doesn't really matter. One way or another, it still works. I thought that was kind of neat. This is just something I have around here, and like I said, this is the stuff that comes with. I just thought it was kind of neat to be able to add some pots to this little adventure to show you guys how that all works. All right, I guess that's all I got. You're watching SOS. I'm BA. Have a beautiful, fabulous, fantastic day. Rainbows and unicorns. God bless. Take care.